Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the malignancies that are associated with the paraneoplastic polycythemia. So what are the malignancies which are associated here? So there is the RCC, that is a renal cell carcinoma. Next, there is also the hepatoma. Next comes the cerebellar hemangioma. There is cerebellar hemangioma. Then there is also the adrenal cortical tumor. There is a adrenal cortical tumors. Then there is also the pheochromocytomas. So all these are malignancies associated with the paraneoplastic polycythemia. Then there is also the virilizing ovarian tumors. And lastly, it also contains a Wilms tumor.